Hello! This week in my social media planner, which is the Mini Recollections, I'm going to use, I thought these were cute. This one is by Noni's Custom Creations, and this one is by Clip It Crafts. Real cute little green dragon. And the Planner Nerd, it is glittery. It's a little hard to see, but I like both of those. I am using the Succulent kit by Crafts by Doraelia. So I have this and all these. And I also have her Plan With Me stickers, like those. And by Brianna Nicole Designz, who is having a 50% off sale now. And that is on Etsy, Brianna Nicole Designz with a Z. Make sure you mention me in the notes. The link will be posted on my Instagram, which is at Vanessa76. So be sure to check that out. But I have the Traveler's Notebooks, the post on social media, and the YouTube icon. So we will go ahead and get started. And I'm going to be using just a teal pen. So I'll go ahead and write in my dates, because August starts Wednesday. And while I have my pen, I am going to just turn my washer into my little Instagram, because it works. And then we'll get started with the layout. I do buy the kits for like the mini happy planner, so they're, you know, just a little bit too long, which is alright. I just put it where I want it, trim it off. It's close enough that it's, you know, not a big deal to me. I did not do my monthly spread in here. I most generally do not. I cut it just a little crooked. But I like these kits, and they have a lot of different stickers, and they're just perfect. Just the right size. Getting everything ready. PlannerCon Cleveland is coming up. I am going. It's just under 2 weeks away. I am pretty excited. Guess I could have put those on at the same time and trimmed them both at once. I know these pages are just printed just a little uneven. One's just a little taller than the other, and I didn't notice till like halfway through the book. But I suppose it happens. I'm going to put on my full piece down here. I want to go ahead and put the box on this side also, because I like these polka dots, and I'm going to run them across the bottom. I am planning on Monday. I don't always get it done on Sunday. Sometimes on the weekends I just get busy doing you know, other stuff. I do like this one. It says rooted and grounded in love. Oops, I'll do the stripes here in just a minute. I will go ahead and put in the boxes that I want to use. And they do overlap just a little bit. And I am all right with that. By doing it this way, you can put them exactly where you want them. And this one says, "My soul thirsts for you." And this darling little bird cage here. And I'm going to put the pink right here. Just kind of lining these up at the edge. I love the colors of this kit. I just think it is so pretty. A little quiet there. And since you can see the black line here, and I do have the extra teal, I'm just going to kind of, it'll thicken the line up just a little bit, but that's okay. I'm basically just kind of covering up as much of the black as I can, just so it blends in a little better. I want to put my weekend right here. I do have a fairly busy week this week, doing all that boring stuff, but next week is vacation week. I'm taking more or less a staycation, just hanging out and relaxing for a week. All right. Put the boxes on there. And I think this week I'm going to do my Insta and YouTube up here at the top, just because I haven't for a while. So there's those. Do have a couple little appointments. Oops, wrong day. But it peeled right up. I'll put those on. Those are the days that I'm going to post, and I want to move this one down just a little bit too. And I think that is all I want from here. So I've got my YouTube, so I want to put my post to social media. Those right there. And I love this bright pink, so we'll put it right there. And I do want one more little box. We'll fit it in right there. Alrighty, and see, that's why I picked it, because the bright pink here and the green of the dragon, he's just cute, and I thought he went well with this planner. So there is my spread for the week. Thank you for watching along, and if you like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And again, check out my Instagram at Vanessa76 for the link to Brianna Nicole Designz. She is having 50% off this week, so that is a great sale. I love her stickers. I'll talk to you later. Bye.